Good morning.
There the pen. Amna. Rayan Joshi.
Good morning, ma'am. I
Good
was
morning.
drinking some water, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Okay, okay, okay. So everyone,
Oh, sorry.
please kindly turn on your webcam.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
there
am
then.
not coming for the picnic.
You're not coming for
Picnic.
the meetup program?
No, the picnic.
What?
The
The
picnic. I am not coming for the
yeah.
picnic.
Oh, you have to turn your cam first. Ilham, Tanaz, Rayan, all please. Okay. Yes. How are you all?
Fine.
I'm fine.
Good. Yes. Yeah, the other thing, could you please arrange your camera properly? A little bit down. Yeah. Yeah, that it's not good. Lakshya, what about you? Only this much I can see.
Oh, yeah, 1 minute.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So good morning.
Ma'am, I am not coming for the picnic, okay?
Okay, okay, okay. We'll inform you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
No, hi, you have to say hello. When I say hello, you have everyone say hi. Okay. Hello.
Hi.
All
Hi.
all together. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Ilham, Rayan, Rayan, both are you please say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
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 Tanaz, you're not saying hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Yes. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Again,
Hello.
hi.
Good
Hello.
morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning. Good morning. Hands up, dears. Hands down. Stand up. Take a deep breath. Breathe down. Sit down. Okay, okay. Yes, good. Zia,
Yes.
see, is it your old photo, Zia?
Yeah.
You can see one photo of your
Yeah,
one
let's
page.
wear up.
Is put it on your real photo or your name only that. See what? Yeah, change the background also. Yeah.
Yeah,
I will
let's wear
change.
up.
Okay. Yes. We have received chocolate day relate the environment related photos and videos from Zenobia, Zia, Ilham. Okay. And chocolate day is mm, only
Ma'am,
received from
mine I will send it on Friday, okay?
Friday, tomorrow.
I don't know to make a chocolate. My mother knows.
Okay. That's not mandatory.
Friday
If you have any
is
interest to do that, you can. Otherwise, you can. Okay. Yes, chocolate day, Hawa and Tanas. We received from these students, Hawa and Tanas. And what, yeah, others? What do you think? Are you planning to make videos or photos today? Ramin,
Yeah, ma'am. I will send it today.
yeah, we didn't get any photo from yourself, Ramin. Especially
Ma'am.
new students. I think Ryan, I got from your side. Okay, great. And what about Lexia?
Ma'am, I will do it today.
Okay, yeah, do it today itself. Today is the last day for both this program articles, like the chocolate day and the environmental. Okay. Rayan Joshi, yeah, how was your assignments? Have you completed all assignments, Rayan?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you sure?
Yes.
Check your science assignment, Rayan, again.
Ma'am,
What about
I only have now 3 classwork.
three of them, three
I
pending
have on
assignments?
science. I have only two
Two,
classwork. Two classwork. Up- I will upload it today.
two classwork means two assignment, pending assignment. Am I
Yeah,
right, Rayan?
yeah. I
Yeah,
am
one is
on
science and others two
science. Have two. Then maths have only one.
maths are only. When you complete today, I think today.
Yeah, today
Yes,
I'll complete.
yes.
Ma'am,
I'll check with the teachers also. So please come today itself. Okay, Rayan, you also. What about Ilham, Tanas? I think you don't have any assignments. Ilham, right? Pending works.
I
Ilham,
have
am I
one.
right, Ilham? Ramin, Zia, Hawa? On your camera, Hawa. Amna, Liksha, Devdatan?
Ma'am, I have one Hindi homework.
Yeah,
That I need to do today.
ma'am, I
okay.
have one Hindi homework too.
Yeah, that was maybe, it's a last upload,
Ma'am,
inshallah. You can do
Trip,
it 2A itself. Yes.
June 29 that's trip, right? I am going to India on 25th, which I
So,
didn't go. I
mm,
will be there. My
okay,
mother said like that.
okay. Otherwise, you will be absent on that day. Am I right, Zaya? Okay. If you're planning to
ma'am,
take absent, you have to inform to the office.
Yeah, I
ma'am,
will
Okay.
inform Aswa ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, you need to inform to the office also. Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, Ryan.
On yesterday, Aspaha ma'am told
Uh,
us to take permission from the parents. I am,
yeah, about the meet from for the meetup. Am I right?
yeah, I am
Oh,
coming.
you are coming.
Yeah.
Okay. So who are coming? Yes, Ryan.
Can we raise hand who are coming?
I didn't get. Sorry, Ilham.
Uh, can I raise hand that I am coming? I am coming to trip.
Okay, okay. You are coming for that program. Am I right? So Ilham, Ryan, then
Ramin,
Amna,
Ramin,
okay.
Ramin.
Ramin, Ramin, you confirmed that. I think
Yeah.
you got all the permission from your mother side. Am I right, Ramin? Okay, Ramin. And others? Anyone else? Devdatan said that you are not
Hawa said,
coming. Am I right, Devdatan?
Hawa said she will come yesterday. Hawa said she will come
Hawa, yes.
yesterday.
Hawa?
Hawa, are you
No,
sure?
I am not sure still. My mom said, yeah, we will come, and after
Yeah,
that,
they are
she
so far
said,
away from that place, ma'am.
ma'am,
That's why.
maybe. Ma'am,
Okay,
when
not
will be the
confirm
picnic?
Hawa.
So what about
When will be the picnic
Rayan
on?
Joshi?
Rayan Joshi?
Ma'am, when will be the trip on?
Yes.
What, Devdatan?
When will the trip on? Which day?
Saturday, 29th
Saturday.
June, Saturday.
I think the day 21st. Am I right, ma'am?
No, 29th June, Saturday,
Saturday.
the meetup. Rayan Joshi, did you ask your parent?
Rayan?
Hmm?
Not sure.
Not sure. Okay.
Not sure. Did you
Yeah.
ask to your father, your parent, Rayan?
Yeah.
What they said? Not sure.
Yeah.
Ma'am, no Saturday, Sunday.
Wait a minute. Let me check.
I checked the message.
You check the
Sunday.
message.
Yeah, Sunday.
Yeah, it's Sunday. It's Sunday. But
Sunday.
forwarded message was said it's Saturday. That's why. Okay. In calendar, yeah, I checked the calendar. It is Sunday. Okay. 29th June, Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, yes.
Good
Okay,
morning, sir.
then bye. Bye all.